It's another exciting day. To my channel. So if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Anna. I am so glad you found my channel. I'm so glad to have you here in my channel. And I would really appreciate if you show me some love and support by subscribing to my channel and be a part of my YouTube journey. So it's another exciting day. I got another parcel, and this is another one from the brand Parfums de MARLY. So if you watched my video last time, the last one that I uploaded, I unboxed a perfume from Parfums de MARLY, Delina exclusive. And I fell totally in love with it because it's such a beautiful, unique fragrance, very different from mainstream perfumes. So I decided to get to know more the brand Parfums de MARLY, explore more their fragrances for women, because I do believe that there's still a lot of their fragrances that I am going to love. Hence, I got another one. So without further ado, let's open the box. I am going to open this box. I cannot wait to smell this. I don't have any idea how this perfume smells like. This is an absolute blind buy for me. The Delina exclusive, it was also a blind buy, but more or less I had an idea how it smells because it's a flanker of the original Delina. So I knew there would be some similarities, but this perfume, I do not have any idea at all how this one smells. So I'm excited right now. I cannot wait to open this. I cannot wait to try this to see how it smells. I don't know, just so excited, guys. So here is the fragrance I got. So this is Cassili. So it's the same, packaging as Delina exclusive. The only thing is that this is in like a pastel orange. So I cannot wait to open this. Now, so it's in like a pastel orange with the horses here, because like what I said in my Delina exclusive video, sorry, this Parfums de MARLY fragrances, they named their fragrances from King Louis' horses. So this is another one from King Louis' horses. Before, the name was Cassili, so this is the name Cassili. So let us open her now. I cannot wait anymore. Ta-da! So here she is. She's seated in this beautiful suede box. So she's just so lovely. She's so pretty. So let me just see. So first of all, let us first appreciate the beautiful bottle of Cassili. It's very similar to the Delina and the Delina exclusive. It is a very feminine design, very feminine shape. It has carvings here in the front, and the lid also has a rhinestone, which I don't know what color is this. I think this is like orange rhinestone. The Delina is pink, of course, because this is in like a pale orange, pastel orange. So the rhinestone is also in orange. So it has this, the same as the Delina exclusive. It has this tassels that really add so much to the beauty of the design of the bottle. So this bottle is like porcelain material. So now let us I cannot wait anymore to try this. So this is still, it's the same as the Delina. It's very heavy, so be very careful not to drop this on your foot because it's really very heavy. So as you guys can see, this is really, the Delina bottles are really, you know, they're exquisitely done. You can really see the, the quality of this fragrance, because just look at the bottle and you would already see it's really exquisitely done. Okay, so let us try it now. I cannot wait anymore to open this. I am so scared. I do hope that I am going to like this. As what I said, it's a total waste of money if I wouldn't like this fragrance. So let us try it now. Let's see. I'm good. Let's see, another spray. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I can already smell it. I'm still trying to wait till it. What kind of smell is this? I haven't appreciated it yet, but I'm still going to wait. Let's see. Let's wait a little bit longer. Oh guys, frankly, unlike the Delina exclusive, when I sniffed it right away, I liked it right away. This one, it's like it's taking a little bit longer for me to appreciate it. So Cassili was launched in 2019, and this fragrance was created by Khalees Becker and Anaka Ogi. So this fragrance opens up with blackcurrant, Bulgarian rose, and floral notes, and it followed by frangipani, plum, mimosa, and petalia, and it dries down to tonka bean, sandalwood, and vanilla. So to me, I'm going to give you my first impression with this fragrance. I can actually smell a lot of rose in this fragrance, a lot of rose, and then it's also quite fruity, but the fruit that I'm getting from this is like peach. I don't know. I mean, there's nothing listed there about this having peaches, but to me it does smell a bit like peach. I don't know if it's psychological because of the bottle, but it's just what I'm getting, peach and roses. So to me, I am not totally blown away with this. I didn't get totally blown away, not like the Delina exclusive. I didn't fall in love with this fragrance, but I don't have any regrets getting this. I'm glad I have her in my collection. I am going to wear Cassili more, a few more days, few more times, just to see how this develops into my skin, and to see if I'm going to enjoy her more. But for now, my first impression, I'm not totally in love with this fragrance. It smells good, but it's just I just didn't fall in love. Not the same as the Delina exclusive. So to me, this fragrance is more suitable for mature women, mature, dignified women, someone who's very, you know, dignified, someone who's very refined, like that. I don't really see so much girls. I don't know. Of course, with fragrances, we can all wear whatever we want. It doesn't really have, you know, it doesn't really mean that just because you're in your 20s, you cannot wear this anymore or whatsoever. You can still wear we can wear any that we want. But to me, I can see more, this is more suitable for someone who is mature, but maybe like in her 30s, 40s, and someone is very, very like what I said, someone who is very, very refined and dignified, because this is a refined scent. And yes, so this is my first impression and unboxing, first impression of the Parfum de Marly Cassili. So if you guys like this video, I hope that you give this video a thumbs up. A comment would also be appreciated. Of course, I would appreciate more if you subscribe to my channel. Show me some love, show me some support. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Let's spread love, not hate. Take care. Bye.